Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to edit. Yeah, and we're looking for that program list screen, but we won't necessarily be in that area. We could be in edit or whatever. So we're looking for that list program button that shows us our programs. We've got our memory card all plugged in there, all ready to go. And then if we go for IO, so press the IO key, okay, then we're going to go output. Yep. And then it's just asking us what program number we want to output. So if we type in, for example, program number 2, yep, press your input key there, yep, and then it's warning you that it overlaps, so you've got to say yes to that, and that's done it. So you won't get that warning normally.
Yeah.
And then same thing if you read a program in. So if we go to input, if you need to switch your menu, that's it, input, and that's showing us what we've got on the card. So read in now program number 2, so type in 2, input, yep, and again it's saying this overlaps, so you're happy with this, just say yes, yep, and that's written over program 2 that's already there.
Gotcha.
And it says input complete.